Hi everybody and welcome to my channel. This is Felicia here and I am doing a spring cleaning hop on behalf of the Crafty Maven design team. Yay! I know I haven't been around for a while, but anyway, I am here. So what we're supposed to do is we're supposed to create something with green, something gold, some buttons, some florals, wood veneer, and oldest mixed media. Now, me being so excited and everything because I haven't scrapped in a while. I forgot the buttons, guys. But I did use the gold and green, the florals, and wood veneer. Actually, I forgot the wood veneer too. I'm sorry. And the oldest mixed media. With me and my zealous ways, I definitely forgot to do the whole entire recipe thingy here, though. But for the most part, I am glad I am scrapping at least. So what you see here is a picture, and this is a picture of the planetarium that is located on my campus, and my campus is Sac State. And this picture it kind of brings back a little bit of the memories here because it was kind of like a sad moment when that was my last day on campus because of what's going on in our world today. And not to be killjoy or anything about it, I really am, I'll be honest with you, kind of a little tired of hearing about a lot of it. But like I said, I had to remember because that was my first class. This is my first semester at Sac State, and I am kind of bummed because I can't finish it out, and I know there's people who are going through a lot worse than I am right now. But at the same time, astrophysics was a really nice class. I really enjoyed that astrophysics class. So anyway, so to make a long story short, I am here now at home. I'll be doing all my classes online starting next week. That's how it's going to work for us. And so I decided to go ahead and scrap this picture, like I said, because it just brings back a great memory. And I am, like I said, it's kind of like a little sad, but at the same time, what can you do? That was a great class, though, and it was so cool because the pictures and things and the flying through space and the planets and stuff would be on the ceiling, and I learned quite a bit about everything from the birth of a star to the death of a star to how to calculate Newman's law. All kinds of stuff. I mean, we were doing formulas and things like that, which to me, at first, when I first got in, it was a little intimidating because I was like, God, physics, good grief. And I took this class as an elective, by the way. I didn't take it because I wanted to, it was because I said, well, let me try to, the astronomy and see, how that works. But oh my gosh, it was so great. I'm so glad I did choose it because it was a very fun class. And the professor is awesome too. So, that planetarium actually is less than a year old. I think it was completed last semester, if I'm not mistaken, which was the fall, and it's brand new to campus. They did not have a planetarium when my daughter was going there. She was kind of surprised and shocked. And the money for the building was donated by the person's name who's on the building. And I cannot remember for the life of me how to pronounce his name, but it begins with a T. His first name is Ernest. So I just don't remember the last name. But yes, it's just so cool because he donated a lot of money. It was over $5 million to do that building. So that is our science building on campus. It's brand new. It's beautiful. And it's such a great, addition to the campus there. So right now you can see me put all the stuff on here. And I know I haven't really been talking about what I'm putting on here because at this point, I named what I was supposed to be putting on here, and instead of me putting the button, I put a butterfly. So, I just thought it would be a little bit more, and because the paper is butterfly. So there's flora on the paper, there's gold on the paper, there's gold on my title, there's green, and by the way, those are our colors, Sac State green and gold. Um, or green and yellowish, goldish, yellowish, whatever you want to call that other second color, but that's our colors. And so I was super excited to do this layout when I found out that that was going to be our colors and stuff. I mean, remind me of the colors of my campus. So hopefully everything will go smoothly, and this fall coming, I'll be able to be on campus. I mean, I enjoy school. I don't know about other people, but I did, and I enjoyed being around. I enjoyed participating in the clubs, you know, because I'm an anthropology major. And so I enjoyed participating in the anthropology club, some of the things that were going on campus, and you know, stuff like that. I'm kind of, like I said, a little sad. So, but at the same time, we have to do what we have to do to protect ourselves. So here I go. I am journaling a little bit about the experience I had, and then, you know, the fact that I won't be able to go back to the planetarium. But like I said, at least I had an opportunity to do so. And the planetarium, once everything is, you know, calmed down, is open to the public because that's what they were doing beforehand. And so people will be able to go and just to go and have a good time at the planetarium. They have shows and stuff. So anyway, that is it. So be sure to tune into the other ladies' channels. They are probably have everything, unlike myself. And I hope you enjoyed seeing me scrap for the first time in a long time. And I'm glad I'm back to do those things to relieve some kind of pressure here. And I had fun. So let me know what you think, guys. And don't forget to tune into the other ladies' channels and see their beautiful work. And take care and have a great and wonderful week. Be safe and healthy. Bye-bye.